Hello everyone, I'm here with another important and interesting theory of psychology. We will discuss path-goal theory of leadership. Without this theory, our understanding related to leadership is incomplete. And yes, don't miss objective question at the end. So, let's begin. The path-goal theory of leadership mentioning that leaders' traits and behaviors can directly affect the satisfaction, motivation, and performance of their team members and employees. One thing I would like to mention here, during explanation of this theory, when I will use team members or employee or followers or subordinates, meaning of all these terms will be same. The path-goal theory was first introduced by Martin Evans in 1970 and then major contribution by Robert House in 1971 is connected to this particular theory. House argued that the goal of the leader is to help followers to identify their personal goals as well as understand the organization's goal. And House also mentioning that identifying the goal as well as achieving the goal is also the responsibility of a leader. So only identifying is not necessary. And according to this theory, promoting the employees' goals, increase their ability and overall satisfaction of employee is the indicator of a successful and a great leader. And a leader's effectiveness and you are effective leader or not depends on several factors. Number 1, employee characteristics. Number 2, environmental contingent factors. Number 3, leadership styles. All these factors determine effectiveness of leadership, or we can say effective leadership. In beginning, we discuss leadership style. We have to understand leaders can implement the path-goal leadership theory in different ways. That depends on various factors like workplace structure and the need of the team members. This theory is very flexible to meet the diverse characteristics of subordinates, followers, employees. So in one condition, leader using particular leadership style, but in another condition, they may use different style because workplace structure or need of the team members will be different. Path-goal leadership theory explaining 4 styles of leadership. First, directive, second, supportive, third, participative, and fourth, achievement-oriented. In directive, leader informs subordinates about expectations and guide them till completion of the goal. This gives their followers a sense of direction and belongingness, as well as direction also helps them to understand goal clearly. In supportive style, leader try to make work pleasurable for the employee followers by showing concern and also leader presenting friendly behavior toward the employee. And it is most effective if tasks are stressful. In participative style, the leader believes in group decision making and shares information with followers. He consults his followers on important decisions related to work, goal, and they also discuss about how to achieve goals, how to resolve challenges, right? And in achievement-oriented, or we can say achievement-oriented leader, draw challenging goals and encourage their employees to reach their optimal performance, or we can say highest capabilities. Leadership style was the first factor of effective leadership. And second factor is employee characteristics. It is important to understand their followers to be an effective leader. Like we have to understand followers, or we can say followers' need, their locus of control, their experiences, satisfaction as well as anxiety. For example, if followers are not capable to do something, then directive style of leadership will not be useful. Instead, a supportive approach will be appropriate because supporting and friendly behavior of leader will help them or help employee to learn new skills or develop capabilities. That's why it is very important to understand employee characteristics. Third characteristics is environmental contingent factors. There are few things that are outside the control of the employee, or we can say that employee cannot control few things like design of the task and team dynamics. So it is also important to keep in mind for a leader, then accordingly they can use leadership style. For example, employees who performing creative tasks, a participative style is much effective than a directive style. Now, question time. Question is, which leadership style would be more useful if a task is new to that particular employee? Option 1, directive. Option 2, supportive. Option 3, participative. Option 4, achievement oriented. I hope you know the right answer. If you are not getting the right answer, replay the video and try to find the answer, right? If you know the answer, let me know in comment box, and if you have any queries, any doubt, you can also mention in comment box, right? And stop. Correct answer is, anyone? Yes, correct answer is supportive leadership style, right? So see you in next video. Stay motivated and enjoy psychology. Bye viewers.